sirree. I am the world's best backward driver. Boy, I knowed I could do it. Boy, I'm hyper and a tumbleweed and a tornado. This is almost as much fun as tipping tractors. Woo, boy, am I ready? Oh, I got a little lightning about this. I tell you what, it don't get much better now. Let's go. This is almost as much fun as tipping tractors. Boy, this is gonna be good. I tell you what, it don't get much better now. I'm so good. Yep, I'm a natural. Good boy, this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be good. I'm so good. I tell you what, it don't get much better now. This is almost as much fun as tipping tractors. Boy, I'm hyper and a tumbleweed and a tornado. Woo-hoo! Woo, boy, am I ready? I gotta tell lightning about this. Hey, you should see me when I drive backwards.
There's someplace very high. Now, I will race as I have never raced before. I make this look so easy. Oh, this is like a dream come true. As I have never raced before. I make this look so easy. I am small, yes, but I am very fast. Luigi, scatter delle tires, do not forget! Here we go! I am so filled with joy. Watch me go! I make this look so easy. Fantastico! Now, I will race as I have never raced before. Here we go! Filled with so ashamed. Do not look at me. I must have screamed it to the world. My excitement from someplace very high. I make this look so easy. Here we go! I did it! Watch me go! I am so filled with joy. Now, I will race as I have never raced before. I make this look so easy. Here we go! Watch me go! Now, I will race as I have never raced before. Here we go! Watch me go! Fantastico! I have been waiting for this all my life.
Guido è la macchina più veloce! Non mi vedrete arrivare? Ora festeggiamo! Cominciamo subito!